Hey everybody, welcome back to another edition of On the Town with Suz and Doug. And I guess Suz, we'll have to tell them where we are, but maybe the specific beach we're at.
We are at Siesta Key Beach here in Sarasota.
On a relatively chilly day.
Yes, yeah.
You can see there's nobody in the water.
No, this is definitely a watching the waves kind of a day here at Siesta Key Beach, but it's really pretty, very pretty. You see the waves rolling in. Someone is fishing out there right now, and you do see families and people walking up and down the beach, but very pretty.
Yeah, we'll say for those folks watching later on in the year, whenever it is, it's January the 11th.
Yes, yes.
Even though it's chilly for Florida,
Yeah.
people still do come out to the beach.
Absolutely.
Although the lifeguards today, they have the red hazard flag up, meaning it's hazardous wave.
Yes.
Yes. Stop it from going in.
Yeah.
Nobody in there now.
Nobody in there now. No. It's like
I think last time we were here was August.
August. Yeah.
But it's always great if you can come to the beach. Siesta Key Beach.
Yes.
It's rated always #1 in the country. The sand is a special kind of sand.
Beautiful.
One of the widest beaches you're ever going to be on. We understand.
Yes.
The Gulf of Mexico.
So we are.
So we like that.
We are officially. This is the Gulf of America. We'll see. I'm not sure how Mexico feels.
Well,
but
like you said, most of the Gulf, whatever it used to be,
yes,
surrounds America.
America.
So that's
yes.
what we're going to go by.
Absolutely.
May not be official yet.
Yes.
But that's what we'll call it.
That's what it'll be. And it is pretty here.
It's nice. It's about 60 degrees, 64 degrees. A little breezy, so we have our sweaters on. But
yes.
See somebody going to jog right here. So you can always walk on the beach in Florida. That's the great thing. Very rarely is it too cold to even walk.
It's very true.
You don't want to swim necessarily, but
Very true.
I know a lot of people maybe around the country are digging out some snow.
Snow. Yes.
So make a trip down here to Florida. Visit
Siesta Key Beach. Very pretty. We're enjoying the outdoors and the birds.
Some birds.
Yes.
Usually you see the seagulls, you see little sandpiper birds.
Yeah, I love those.
Like you said, there's plenty of room back here.
Yes.
The widest beaches, so
Yes.
some of the condos there on
Yes.
Siesta Key. Bring your wallet or checkbook if you're going to stay there.
Yes.
Not going to be inexpensive. I got to tell you that.
Sure,
but
make sure to.
but it's a great place to visit.
Yes.
It's not too far away from downtown Sarasota either.
No.
You don't have to drive a long way to Siesta Key.
No. This is really odd.
So we always enjoy coming out. We thought
Yes.
we'd do a little winter
Yes.
video from
Yes.
Siesta Key Beach.
Siesta Key Beach.
Anything else you'd like to add to that?
I just, everyone, I think this is beautiful. I remember walking up and down this beach with my dad when I was 7.
Oh, yeah.
And we used to find sand owls
Right.
on this beach too. It has beautiful shells, beautiful things to find too, to collect. And it's just a very memorable place.
Yeah.
To me. Beautiful.
Visit.
Yes.
Siesta Key Beach, Sarasota, Florida. We're on the town. See Suz and Doug. You can't see us, but we're giving thumbs up again.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
So check it out.
Check it out, everyone.
Thanks for watching.